Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and today I'm in the town of Cologne, Germany. And that's my boat you see right behind me. And right across from there is where this downtown city starts, where there's a lot of old buildings, a lot of new buildings, big commercial shopping area. So I'm just going to wander around this part of town, take some video, show you what it's like. So come along with me. Most of the buildings in Cologne were destroyed during World War II, but the ones in this area right here were not.
Do I need to look like I need to translate?
Like this one you can see.
Well, you were probably here on the walk.
It was saved from the bombings. This church building was mostly destroyed in the war, but they rebuilt it. You can see the women statues here are in shock. The buildings that have this marker on it means they survived the war. And this building has one of those markers as well, right there. Wonder how that nose got so shiny. Take your hand off. There you go. Here's an interesting monument. This is the man on top. And this is the lady he was infatuated with. And a lot of colorful buildings around here. Each one of these building sections are a different color. That's nice. Look at the craft work on this building. Here's a closer view of the artwork. This is an even closer look. Here's a cologne souvenir shop where you can actually buy some cologne.
Oh, wow. Anyone else?
There's the Museum Ludwig. I don't know what it has in it. The Romans built this street like 2,000 years ago. This is what the Roman streets would look like. Wow, that is bad. But they sure lasted. Here's a map of the city with the Rhine River going right through the middle. Here's another museum. They lost the rim on the end. Don't know what that means. And take a look at this cathedral. Wow. Wonder how old that thing is. Made out of sandstone and limestone. And it's so black because of the trains would come right by here, and they were coal-powered trains. I think it's just called the Cologne Cathedral, which was not damaged in World War II. Thank goodness, because look at this amazing artwork. And they have scaffolding here. They're still working to repair it. And there's a very interesting fountain here. Nice fountain. With water coming out of the lion's mouth. This is the front entrance of the cathedral with a lot of statues around. See all these statues? Here's some info on front of it. Every little bit is covered with something. Look at that. All that artwork. Right here, look at that. Wow. This is the inside of the cathedral. Really tall ceiling. Stained glass here. Cologne has a Hard Rock Cafe. I saw a Five Guys and lots of American-based stores. They've got a lot of these old buildings. They got new buildings. Huge shopping area here. Got a huge city square here. Big open space. Underground parking. Let's take a look at this big statue up there. They've got a plaque here. It's all in German. Nice artwork here on the bottom row. Even above that are these life-size statues. And two lady carvings here on this side. Look at all these tables and chairs for this outdoor restaurant. It's like 4 o'clock now. I bet they'll get filled up pretty much later. These are all the buildings around that city center. Statue right there. These buildings are right along the riverbank, just a little ways off of it. Cologne and Dusseldorf. It's two other cities. Dusseldorfer. I wonder what that is. That's a restaurant. Outdoor seating. Nice old buildings. Rhine Hotel, right along the Rhine. And look at this. Isn't that amazing? Wow. There's another tower. Restaurants here. This is a really nice city. It took a lot to rebuild it after they got bombed the heck out of it in the war. Our tour guide said that this bridge gets more rail traffic, more trains going across this bridge than any other bridge in Germany. Here's a big theater. It says up there L'Amour and Moulin Rouge. I don't know if that's the name of it or if that's the play that it plays. It says Willkommen das Musical, and it's the bestest music on it. Here's a huge building. I don't see a sign saying what it is. It's right along the riverbank. Here's one of the smallest castles I've seen. Via France. They have really nice biking, hiking trails right along the riverbanks here. This is an interesting little pond they got built. just right across from where our boat is docked. In this really nice park. Greenery here. And there's that big, I don't know if it's a cathedral or what. That's a nice little building. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my tour. Good day, folks.